Welcome back to the Morning Blend. Well, planning for our own death is, of course, not something any of us looks forward to, but it is important to have an estate plan in place to protect our loved ones once we're gone. Attorney Alan Spiegel Jr. is with McClario, Helm, Bertling, and Spiegel. Today, he has advice on planning and including charities. Hey, Alan.
Good morning, Molly. How are you?
Good morning to you. It's my understanding that you're at the office, so I'm guessing you're wearing pants.
I'm wearing pants, yes. No tie, but I do have the pants on today.
There you go. Okay, let's talk a little bit about how you help people with estate plans.
Sure.
So tell us about the process. How does it work?
Sure. Right now, the process is a little bit different. What we're doing is instead of having people come into my office and sit in where I'm talking to you here, they're calling in. We're doing conferences. We get all the information we need from them, and I'm able to talk through with them what their wishes they want to accomplish in their estate plan, who the main players in their estate plan are, and then from there I make recommendations for them about how we go forward. And that once we get that plan together, prepare the documents necessary for their estate plan and them out to them, and we either review them over the phone or we have them come in and do a drive-through signing. That's a new thing. Unfortunately, I was standing in the rain doing signings yesterday. You know, that's what it takes to get it done.
Yeah, exactly. Well, good for you for accommodating your clients. What are some of the essential documents that you would say almost everybody needs to have as part of their plan?
I think you cut out, so I don't know what you asked me.
Oh, I just asked, what are the
Sure.
essential
The
documents that you
essential
think
documents,
everybody
the
needs?
documents that everybody needs are the healthcare power of attorney and the financial power of attorney. Those are documents that every adult needs, no matter what your situation, no matter what your assets. And then the other document that just about everybody needs is some kind of will or trust document to spell out what's going to happen in the event of your death, as far as who's going to take care of your kids, where your assets are going to go, and if someone's going to be supervising those assets, if they're going to someone who's either a child or irresponsible or with a disability that requires some more supervision.
What are the advantages for us in including a charity in, or multiple charities even, in an estate plan?
There's really two big advantages, and I like them in two categories because they're pretty different. One of them is more of a sort of a brainy lawyer advantage, and the brainy lawyer advantage is by including charities, we can actually increase the size of our estate. So, for example, if we had $100,000 in a 401k and we gave it to our child, that child's going to have to pay income tax on it as they take it out, just like we would have, because we didn't pay contributed. On the other hand, if we give that same $100,000 to a charity, because it's tax exempt, they don't have to pay income tax on it. So we effectively increased or expanded our estate, $80,000 to $100,000 that we can go and bless somebody else with. The other side of it, and I think the more important side, is it gives us this opportunity to testimony about what was really important to us. So many people kind of think about their plan and decide that the only way to do it is to divide equally between their kids. And many time of their death, their kids are in their 50s or 60s and financially secure. So instead of dividing it up to who may not need it, what we can do is we can give that final testimony, that final testament to our loved ones about this is the organization or this cause that I was really passionate about, and I want to make sure continues beyond my life.
Is there a cost associated with including a charity in your estate plan?
Typically, there's not. I mean, when we sit down, when I have this initial consultation with folks to talk about what's important to them and what they want to accomplish, if they include, or if, as we discussed, they had to include a charity in that estate plan, there's no additional fees that are required to include charity. Now, once in a while, people have a real elaborate idea of how they want that to work, and I suppose if it's elaborate, it might cost a little more money to do that, but they're just another beneficiary listed in your estate plan, and it would cost you nothing to discuss it and to include it.
It's wonderful. Great talking to you, Alan. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, take care of yourself, Molly.
You too. Really important information. The wonderful thing is that you can get a free, no obligation consultation if you give them a call at their law office's number. They will give you a firm quote on the cost of the estate plan that you wish to pursue, too. So you can call to set up a free consultation and discuss your estate plan. This is a good time to do it while everybody's home. 262-251-4210 or mcclario.com to learn more.